I'm trying out another LED light mask. Now I have tried one from this brand before, but this is an updated version of it. Hello, thank you for stopping on by. If you are returning, thank you. I really appreciate you coming on back. If you are new, hello, my name is Stacy. I am in my mid-40s and I love all things beauty. You can purchase this on Amazon. It's Jaime Sama. Hopefully I'm saying that right. This is a blue and red LED mask. Now before I have tried out their mask, I'll link that video up here and down below. And I did like the mask. The only complaint that I had with it is it was a little heavy. I am not always the best at keeping my routine with things like that. And with it being heavy, I found that I wasn't using it as often as I should. So when they reached out and asked if I wanted to try their updated, I was like, yes, please, because I liked it, but yes, it was a little heavy. And they said that their new updated one was not as heavy. So here is what the box looks like. You do get a nice velvet pouch for the mask itself. It is chargeable via USB. Then you have instructions and a remote. Here is what it looks like. It is a hard plastic. And then that's the inside. What I'm going to do is wash my face and we're gonna see how it feels on and I'll give you my thoughts. And make sure you stay until the end because I got something special to tell you. There is some adjustment to the chin strap. There's 3 different places that you can go up, center, or down. There's red light and then there's near infrared light, or there's blue light. So on the remote, if you pick R5, that's going to give you the red and the near infrared light for 5 minutes. Red 10 is going to do 10 minutes. Blue is going to do 5 minutes. Blue 10 is going to be 10 minutes. Or you can do auto, which is going to do 10 of each color. The red light is a deeper light. It penetrates into the skin more than the blue one. Now the blue light is mostly for anti-acne, cleansing, shrinking pores, repairing sensitive skin, relieving various discomforts of skin, and can balance the skin's water and oil. Your red light is going to be more for your fine lines. You have the adjustable strap here. Put that on, and then just going to adjust the chin thing so that it's the most comfortable for me. Then you want to turn it on over here, and then I'm going to turn on the remote. Should be a green light. And then see, it says, I'm just going to close my eyes. It says red for 5 or 10. And this is the automatic. I can see the red through my lids when I close my eyes. It doesn't feel hot or anything. And I have seen online that people do leave their eyes open. I'm just for the sake, just to be safe, I'm going to close my eyes. You don't have to set a timer. It'll automatically go off. And so you can see it automatically shut off. Now if I want to do the blue, just to show you what that looks like. So the mask does shut off automatically. Turn it back on. And this is what the blue looks like. Okay, it just shut off. So I had this on a total of about 10 minutes. Let's see if I have any marks on my face. Okay. So maybe I had it a little bit too tight because look at there is a mark from this part right here and then a little bit on my chin. This is day 2. See, there is a little bit of a mark with it laying like that and not on with the band, but definitely not what it was before. I have used this a couple of times now since the first part of this video that you saw. And I just wanted to give you an update of what I am finding so far. I will do another update in 30 days. So if you're not already, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. I have kind of played around with loosening this and or just having it kind of sit on my face and have the kind of strap like that and just kind of setting and laying back. And I think that I prefer that way. That way it doesn't feel quite so tight on my face. I'm a person that I don't like chokers or anything like that. So that's how I'm going to wear this. And if I continue to wear it like that and never want the straps, then I might cut them out, but I'm not quite ready to make that commitment yet. So that will be on the 30-day update. I'll let you know. But yeah, I've just pretty much, I really loosen this, or I just kind of have it up like that, set it on my face and just lay back and relax. And personally, so far, that is how I liked it the most. Before you go though, I have an important update. I have an important announcement, breaking news here. So they also have another one that's updated to the one I previously tried. Now the one I'm showing you only has red and blue light, but they have an updated mask if you want more of the lights, the different lights, the purple, 7 colors, red, green, purple, teal, white, blue, and yellow. And it is a rose gold mask. And this one has the neck part to it that you can attach. And then that's what that looks like. This looks very similar to the one that I've tried previous, except obviously it's pink and it's much lighter than the other one. But yes, this one does have 7 lights. So if you would like to try this mask right here, I have not tried it. I just opened the box because I wanted to show you, but I haven't used it at all. If you would like to win this mask, then what I need you to do is leave a comment. You have to be subscribed to my channel. Leave a comment down below and use the word summer in a sentence, and that will let me know that yes, you do want to be entered for this. Now, if you want extra entries, you can go over to my Instagram, and on the latest feed that has to do with this mask, leave a comment on there as well, including the word summer. And also, if you don't have to do all 3 to get an entry. I'm just saying, like, if you did Instagram and Instagram and YouTube, that would be 2 entries. If you do TikTok as well, go over there, and I'm going to have a video on there. Again, leave a comment. Just have to be following me. Leave a comment mentioning summer in a sentence, and that would be 3 entries. If you want an even bigger bonus of an entry, if you want 4 entries total, you can also, down in the description box, there is a link to join my mailing list. And if you join that, I will enter you in as well. So there is a chance for 4 entries that you can do. Again, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. On them, just on the post dealing with this mask, leave a comment and use the word summer in a sentence. And then if you join my mailing list, that will be your 4th entry. This giveaway will run until the end of the month. May 31st at midnight Central Standard Time is when I will cut it off. And then I will announce the winner on all platforms, in case you're only seeing me on one platform. I will announce it on all platforms on June 3rd. It's a Saturday. So again, the giveaway will run until May 31st, and I will announce it on June 3rd. If you're not sure about this mask and you want to see more on how that works, again, you can watch this video here. Again, just note that that is the previous version, so that one is a little bit heavier. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.